This video provides a brief introduction to trigonometry. Enjoy. In this video today, we'll be looking at how we can solve right triangles. If you haven't watched the previous video on SOHCAHTOA, trigonometry, how to use the SOHCAHTOA, please watch this video before you proceed with this one, and as it's going to help you understand this video better. So in this question, we asked to solve the right triangle ABC, which is shown here, given that angle A is 36 degrees and side C is 20 centimeters. So side C in the question is 20 centimeters. This is side C here, and side C is opposite angle C, side A is opposite angle A, and side B is opposite angle B. If you notice, you'll see that the angles are given in capital letters and the sides are given in small letters. So since this triangle is a right triangle, what do we mean by a right triangle? Right triangle is a triangle that contains a right angle. You see this right angle here? You see this corner here? It's a right angle. Whichever triangle you see that has this corner, it just means that this angle here is 90 degrees. Wherever you have a 90 degree is also a right triangle. If you don't see the corner and you see a 90 degree, is also a right triangle. So because this triangle is a right triangle, we can solve for the sides using the trigonometric functions of sine, cosine, or tangent. So first of all, we might decide to find the angle B, and we know that this side is 90 and this side is 36 degrees from the question. And we know that the total sum of angles in a triangle is 180. So to find angle B, we subtract 36 and 90 from 180. Since the total sum of angles in a triangle is 180, if we take this and this from 180, we'll get B. So angle B is 54. So if you add 36 and 90, you get 126. If you subtract 126 from 180, you get 54. So to solve for side A, what do? We can use 20, what we have here, and we can use angle 36 since A is opposite angle 36, and side 20 is opposite the right angle, so side 20 is our hypotenuse, and since A is opposite 36 degrees, A is the opposite side of angle 36 degrees. Now remember from the video on SOHCAHTOA that SO is sine equals opposite over hypotenuse. So opposite over hypotenuse for angle A is going to be equal to sine A. And angle A is 36 degrees. So sine 36 degrees equals A over 20. So if you use your calculator to find the value of sine 36 degrees, you get 0.5877. So 0.5877 equals A over 20. And if we cross multiply, A multiplies 1, 0.5877 multiplies 20, you have A equals 20 times 0.5877, A equals 11.76 centimeters. Now we can solve for B. That's what we're left with. So now if you look at angle 36 degrees, you see that B is not opposite angle 36 degrees and B is not opposite the right angle. So what side is B? B is the adjacent. It's the adjacent side to angle 36 degrees. So we can use the adjacent side B and C, which we know as 20, and angle 36 degrees. Now from our previous video on SOHCAHTOA, we know that whenever you have adjacent and hypotenuse, we can use COS, which just tells you that the cosine of that angle equals adjacent over hypotenuse. So cos A in this case is going to be the adjacent B over the hypotenuse 20. So cos 36 equals B over 20 since B is the adjacent. So the cosine of 36 degrees is 0.890. So 0.890 equals B over 20, So we cross multiply 20 times 0.8090 equals b equals 16.18. So now we've solved this right angle triangle. We found b, we found a, we found angle b. So we've solved all the missing things in the triangle. So in the triangle ABC, A is 36 degrees, B is 54 degrees, angle C is 90 degrees, the right angle. A equals 11.76, B equals 16.18 centimeters, and C equals 20 centimeters.